Good morning, dear students. Welcome to Vidya Setu. We were continuing with the same chapter, Human Eye and the Colorful World. In this chapter, we have already studied about the dispersion of light and the atmospheric refraction. Now, today we are going to study the scattering of light and some natural phenomena occurring due to scattering of light. So, let's begin our class. Scattering means to throw light in various random directions. When light is scattered, when it falls on various types of suspended particles in its path. So whenever light travels, when the various types of suspended particles come into the path of light, the light is scattered. Now what is Tyndall effect? Tyndall effect is the scattering of light by the particle in its path. It is just similar to the scattering of light. Okay, it is also Tyndall effect is a scattering of light by the particles which occur in the path of light. When a beam of sunlight enters a dusty room through a window or a hole in the door, then its path is visible to us because the tiny dust particles which are present in the path present in the room will scatter the light which falls on them. And when this scattered light enter our eyes, we can see the beam of light. Thus, Tyndall effect is the way a beam of light becomes visible as it passes through dust particles in the room. Tyndall effect can also be seen when sunlight passes through the canopy of dense trees. ठीक है बच्चे, जो ट्रीज होते हैं फॉरेस्ट में डेंस होते हैं उनके बीच में से सनलाइट पास होती है तो हमें उसका पाथ नजर आता है. ओके, why does we are able to see that? Because the tiny water droplets in the mist scatter the sunlight. Blue colored light has shorter wavelength, so it is scattered easily. On the other hand, the red color has longer wavelength, so it is not scattered much. The color of scattered light depend on the size of particle. How does the color depend upon the size? Let us discuss that. The color of scattered light depends on the size of scattering particles in the atmosphere. The larger particles of dust and water droplet, जो larger particles होते हैं जैसे कि dust या फिर water droplets, ये scatter करते हैं light as such, due to which the scattered light also appears white. So ये जो light होती है उसको as such scatter कर देते हैं, एक particular light को scatter नहीं करते particular component को, इसलिए हमें जो light होती है वो white appear होती है. बट जो एक्सट्रीमली स्मॉल पार्टिकल्स होते हैं जैसे कि एयर मॉलिक्यूल्स ऑफ नाइट्रोजन ऑक्सीजन, सो दे स्कैटर द मेनली द ब्लू लाइट मीन जो लोअर वेवलेंथ की लाइट होती है उसको स्कैटर ज्यादा करते हैं. ओके, सो द क्वेश्चन इज व्हाई द स्काई अपीयर्स ब्लू. Sky appears blue because the scattering of blue component of light takes place more by the particles of air in the atmosphere. When sunlight passes through the atmosphere, most of the longer wavelength light, it means red color, yellow color, orange color, do not get scattered by the air molecules because we know that the size of air molecule is very small. तो small size के particles बच्चों किसको scatter करते हैं ज़्यादा? लोअर वेवलेंथ लाइट को. और लोअर वेवलेंथ लाइट कौन सी होती है? ब्लू कलर्ड लाइट. द शॉर्टर वेवलेंथ लाइट ब्लू लाइट इज स्कैटर्ड ऑल अराउंड द स्काई बाय द एयर मॉलिक्यूल्स, सो द स्काई अपीयर्स ब्लू. इसीलिए जो स्काई होती है वो ब्लू कलर की दिखती है हमें, क्योंकि जो स्मॉलर एयर मॉलिक्यूल्स हैं, एयर पार्टिकल्स हैं, वो किसको स्कैटर करते हैं ज्यादा? शॉर्टर वेवलेंथ लाइट को, विच इज ब्लू. Now next question is why the sky appear dark to an astronaut. Astronaut को sky dark क्यों नजर आती है? Because there is no atmosphere containing air in the outer space to scatter sunlight. We know that the scattering of light takes place by the particles which are present in the path of light. When there are no particles present, no scattering of light would take place, and if scattering of light does not take place, we are unable to see any light. Since no scattering of light takes place due to absence of atmosphere, so the sky appear dark to an astronaut. Now why danger signal lights are red in color? आपने देखा होगा जो डेंजर सिग्नल लाइट्स होते हैं वो क्या होता है, ट्रैफिक लाइट्स होते हैं जिसमें कि रेड लाइट होता है, तो why they are red in color? बिकॉज जो रेड कलर है have the longer wavelength, so it is least scatter. जिस कलर की वेवलेंथ लॉन्गर होगी वो लेस स्कैटर होगा और जिसकी वेवलेंथ शॉर्टर होगी वो मोर स्कैटर होगा. So it is least scattered by fog and smoke particles. So due to this, the red light can be seen in the same color even from a distance. So काफी दूर distance से भी हमें red light ऐसे ही similar दिखाई देगी. Next question is why the sun appear red at sunrise and at sunset. So जब sunrise होता है बच्चों और sunset होता है तो हमें जो हमारा sun है या सराउंडिंग स्काई है sun के वो हमें रेड कलर की दिखती है. ऐसा क्यों होता है देखिए. At the time of sunrise and sunset, when the sun is near the horizon, सबको पता है कि जब सनसेट होता है सनराइज होता है तो सन की पोजीशन कहाँ होती है, नियर द हॉरिजन. So look at this diagram. In this diagram, the sun is at horizon at sunrise and at sunset. यहाँ ये horizon पे है. So sunlight has to travel a large distance to reach our eye. हमारी eyes में आने तक, हमारे तक आने तक sunlight को बहुत distance travel करना पड़ता है. So during such a large distance traveling, the smaller, shorter wavelength like blue color, it completely gets scattered away, and we are just the sunlight just remain with the red color. Okay, so during this long journey of sunlight, most of the shorter wavelength blue color light is scattered away, and thus light reaching us directly from rising or setting sun mainly consists of longer wavelength red color. So horizon के टाइम पे sun, सनसेट के टाइम पे सनराइज के टाइम पे सन की पोजीशन क्या होती है, एट हॉरिजन, और हॉरिजन का डिस्टेंस बहुत ज़्यादा है हमसे. सो वहाँ से आने के टाइम पे जो शॉर्टर वेवलेंथ ब्लू कलर लाइट है इट गेट्स कम्प्लीटली स्कैटर्ड अवे एंड द सनलाइट जस्ट रिमेन विद द रेड कंपोनेंट ओनली. सो इसीलिए जो सन है वो हमें रेड कलर का दिखता है एट द टाइम ऑफ सनराइज एंड सन.